All right, so today, SuperChef or supermarket, we're going healthy. I'm trying to find the finds of things that look like they're nutritional for you, all right? So I got this today, Superfood Smoothies. There's a Noka, and it's a little smoothie. I get these for my kids, you know what I'm saying? These little things right here, but these cost twice as much, but let's see if they got the health benefits, and let's see how they taste. Go back to the kitchen. All right, so we're back in the kitchen with the Noka Smoothies. Come on, Superfood Smoothies. Immune boost too. It will support your immune system. So this is like the adult version of the little things we get for our kids. So the little applesauce and smoothie things you get for your kids. So let's get right to this, man. Let's not waste no time. This product, it seems the bomb. I have not checked it out. But let's see how this product talks and stuff. Like, you know, talk that stuff, you know how it brags. If your product, you should be bragging on your container. Your product should be doing something, saying something, being something. Let's see what it says. So this one, okay. Elderberry, vitamins, B12, C to D, USDA organic. Okay, let's see what they got on the back. Oh, organic, no GMO, vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free, BPA free. Sheesh. Hey, this one brags. This one like the Floyd Mayweather right now. Talks a lot. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, it has a lot to say. Plant protein, 5 grams of plant protein. I mean, I can go on for days about this thing, man. It's zinc, 50% of your daily volume of zinc, 30% of your daily volume of vitamin D. I mean, like, sheesh. No sugar added. Okay, I think we're done with this part. All right, let's get the price, man. Price. This was you know, we purchased it over here, baby. You can send me a product all you want to, but I gotta go buy it. I gotta get a receipt for it, because ain't nobody gonna ever say that we are talking just because we like them. $9.99 for 4 pouches. Okay, expensive, because I mean, but health, man. Invest. If you want to invest in anything in your life, invest into your body. You only get one body, so it is expensive. When it comes to price, I'm gonna give it a. You probably wonder, why would he give something expensive an A? Because everything ain't supposed to be cheap. You get what you pay for, so don't be cheap, lazy, or unhealthy. Something like that. We used to have a sign in our restaurant that says something like that. But you get what you pay for. So I'm not about to give everybody that's expensive bad grades, because some things cost. And it's okay to price yourself at a good price point if it's worth it. I just told you what I had in it. So far, price seems right to me. Next, taste. Now I got what flavor I got? I mean, I think it's just fruit flavor, because it got strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. But it just says superfoods. Oh, superberry. I got a superberry. SuperChef, superberry, of course. Let's go ahead and try this thing out. Okay, it looks totally different than I thought it was gonna look. Let me show you what I mean by that. Give me a spoon. I thought it was gonna be the color of the, I mean, when it comes to look, I was expecting something to look like fruit. This is uniquely unpleasant looking. Looks healthy. Key to healthy things, stop making it look like it's not supposed to look. I feel like all healthy food always don't look like it's delicious. This don't look delicious, but it could be. Let's try it out. I gotta get a little deeper in this thing. I go a little bit deeper. I could do this. I could do this one there. I could rock with this. It is sweet, but sweet in the way that your body desires. Like, you could tell they're using some good fruit in this, because it tastes like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. Crazy work. You know what I'm saying? A product that actually tastes like what it says it is. So taste-wise, it's there, people. If you're looking for some boost and you're like healthiness, like you don't eat that much, you want to get some fruit into you, this right now, great option. Taste B+. Not gonna give it an A. I ain't crazy. It's just good enough that I could do it every day and enjoy it. Now, I don't know if I would desire it every day. See, an A should be something you desire. A B is something you wouldn't mind eating, you would enjoy it. This, B+. Because on top of it tasting good, being sweet, tasting like the fruit that it says it has inside of it, which most products give you an artificial flavor that you just like, it overkills it. This one naturally is killing it. So I will give it that, B+ in taste. I gave it an A for price because the price is right. I don't care what no one says. Some things cost more because they're just better for you. This is one of them. Now, when it comes to nutrition, I mean, 120 calories, these are the right kind of calories you want to get. A+ for me right there. It's just hitting everything, man. No cholesterol, 0, sodium, 0, carbohydrates, 8%, 11% in your fiber. I mean, 2% trans fats of your day. And everything when I say percent is of your daily value. I mean, there's really protein, 5 grams. I mean, the calories are right. There's no saturated fats, no sodium. Sugar is a very low impact of sugar to where there's no sugar added. Fruit has sugar. What do you want to do about it? I mean, you need sugar. Sugar gives you energy. People keep thinking that you get energy from like coffee. Caffeine gives you energy up here. It may make you work harder, but sugar gives you energy in your whole body. It is what gives you fuel. This is the kind of sugar that you need. When it comes to nutrition, A++++++. A+ in nutrition, A+ in price, B+ in taste. I mean, great price. I never knew about this. This is gonna be one of them finds you find out about. Like, this should be a snack throughout the day. I will say that, I'm impressed. It's hard to impress me, but because we just find it. I didn't plan on doing this product. We just literally walked past in the grocery store. So good find, message me. SuperChef _ on Instagram, SuperChef _ 23 on Instagram. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share, YouTube. So I'll see you next time. This is SuperChef vs. Supermarket.